Alright, now this is a typical, what they call a fixed skylight. It's an FCM, and the skylight comes with a base that you can make yourself, or it can come prefabricated. And this is the base that's specifically made for this FCM. You can see we've got the skylight here, right, and the inside, the waterproofing, you can see the rubber here, that's basically the waterproofing, and it's integrated. Everything comes in one piece, there's no extra pieces. Super easy to put in, as you can see right now. So the hardest part is it needs two guys just to lift it up. And it virtually just pops in. And to finish it off, all you need to do is put some screws on the side, and the screws will go in to the timber, and then you flash this to the roof and it's all done. Super simple skylight, a fixed skylight from Velux.